Hi guys, I thought I'd share a quick cloth nappy how to and basically how to use them. I know cloth nappies can be quite confusing, especially in the beginning. I have got all of Ronnie's cloth nappies stacked in this little basket storage unit, and I'm going to basically go through the nappies I have and how they work. Okay, so the first style of nappies I have are all-in-one nappies. These are probably the easiest nappies to get your head around. Bambino Mio's is mainly my collection, and I've got some tot spots. And yeah, so basically these are Bambino Mio's. You can get these in Asda, in Sainsbury's, and this is an all-in-one nappy. So that means that this insert, this is what absorbs the wee. This actually is attached to the nappy. So you can just pull out this insert with these little tabs, and it goes in the washing machine like this. So this chucks all in the washing machine and it's all attached. So that's an all-in-one nappy, and you'll see the difference in a minute with a pocket nappy. So that is a Bambino Mio nappy. And that's a tot spots, it's quite similar, it's just got a different kind of fabric. But yeah, basically the nappy is all attached and all in one, and these adjust, by the way, with poppers. So this is at its smallest. If I can actually undo it, I can show you. I finally managed to undo it, and this is at its biggest. So depending on how small your baby is, you can adjust the size with the poppers, and the Velcro basically pulls in at the waist. So if you've got a bigger child, they obviously won't be as tight. So yeah, that's basically a all-in-one nappy. Okay guys, this is a pocket nappy, and this is adjustable with poppers again, like the Bambino Mio's, and it's got poppers instead of Velcro at the top. So a pocket nappy is basically, this is like an outer shell, so this is waterproof and this is a fleece liner, but this does not have any pull out boosters with it. Basically you buy the boosters separately. So there's one there, that's a microfiber one, and this one is bamboo, and these basically go in this little pocket at the back. So you put these in yourself, stuff the nappy, and then when it comes to wash, you pull out these boosters from the back, and they both go in the washing machine in two separate bits. So you've got the outer layer and then the two boosters. You can get boosters in microfiber, bamboo, charcoal. Basically microfiber is the least long lasting, but it absorbs the wee quickly, and yet bamboo is quite absorbent. Yeah, it makes the nappy last a little bit longer. So if you double up the boosters, you get more longevity at the nappy. That makes sense. These guys are nappy liners, and these are basically liners that go on top of the nappy. So these rip off, they're a bit like kitchen roll, and these basically place on top of the nappy, and this catches any poo. So if the baby has a poo, this will catch most of the mess, and you can just put this in the flush it down the toilet or just put it in the bin, and then it will stop staining on the nappy. And you get, well, these are the Bambino Mio ones, and you get 250 liners in a pack, so they will last quite a while, and it just saves the mess really. I hope that's helpful guys. There's all sorts of types of nappies, but I mainly use pocket nappies and all-in-one nappies. There's all sorts. I don't want to confuse you too much, but basically to me these are the easiest ones to use. We don't use these kind of nappies at night. We just use normal disposables, just because they do obviously hold any wetness a bit better than cloth nappies. However, cloth nappies are such a good alternative in the day, and you can do night nappies as well. There's all sorts of options for night time. So yeah, it's such a good idea, and I'll show you in a minute where I put the dirty nappies. Okay guys, so I store the dirty nappies in this. This is basically a bucket. I got this one off eBay. It's not a fancy one, it's just basically a bucket with a lid, and it's lined with a big mesh wash bag. This basically acts like a bin liner for the nappies, and when you finish with, or when the bin's full, you basically take this bag out and chuck it in the washing machine, so you don't have to touch any dirty nappies, and they wash brilliantly. And the last thing is that I wash the nappies with Lidl's 4ml non-bio. You're meant to wash cloth nappies with non-bio powders. There's something to do with the enzymes in normal washing powder, so they recommend using non-bio because it's meant to wash the nappies a bit better. And I also use the Mio Fresh nappy cleanser. I put one scoop of this in with a bit of this, and they come out smelling lovely. I never had a problem with dirty smelling nappies. They've always come out really nice. I will put them on a 60-minute 60 minutes 60-degree wash, but before that I would do a quick 15-minute wash just to get rid of any, I do the 15-minute wash without any washing powders, and that gets rid of most of the like the wee and any stains, so when they actually go on the 60-degree wash there isn't any gunk going around the machine.